Andito ako ngayon sa Letran. Na-invite ako for speaking engagement today para sa isang e-commerce and digital, parang about e-commerce and digital economies. What? Medyo hindi naman kinakabahan. Kasi I made several talks already in the past, pero this would be my first time to talk to a Manila school kasi most of the talks that I had was in Pangasinan. Most of the universities in Pangasinan. And this is my first time here at lahat na mamimit ko today na nag-invite sa akin, I would be meeting them for the first time. So yun lang. Let's see how it turns out. Let's go.